Good morning, you guys. So today is Friday. You guys. I'm in a super good mood. At first I didn't want to get up, but I'm like, get your behind up. I have a long day ahead of me. I have quite a few things to do. I am actually heading to the store, hence why I have on my mask. I'm headed to Walmart so I can go grocery shopping. And the last time that I went to this Walmart, the one that's closest to my house, they did not have everything I need. So fingers crossed that they have everything I need, because I didn't get rice. It was a lot of things that I wasn't able to get. And I also have to go to one more store because that's where I get my meat from. So, and I hate having to go to two stores. Like, it really sucks, especially when I have to go to like 2 different Walmarts. That really sucks. So that's what we're about to do. I'm going to Walmart first to get my sides and everything else, fruits and vegetables, and then I'm going to go to the meat store to go get some meat that I need. I may be cooking dinner for my mom and my stepdad today. I'm not quite sure, but that's the plan. I want to try a new dish, a new recipe. This light would turn on me. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm not sure if I'm vlogging in Walmart or not, because y'all, it's probably gonna be a lot of people in there. You know. Ooh. Yeah, I'm driving like a bat out of hell, but it's probably gonna be a lot of people in there, and then I'm gonna have to have on my mask. I'm gonna be trying to get what I need to get so I can get out. So I may just do a grocery haul showing you guys what I actually got from Walmart. So let's go in. So it's not many people in Walmart, which is good. I thought it was, but it's not. I stopped by the kids section because I got cases of some stuff. I got some ginger ale and some detergent. Now I'm back here like where the water and orange juice is, and this time I'm getting a big case. Y'all, I literally appreciate that there's literally nobody in here. Like, I can really get what I need to get without a bunch of people in the way, because I honestly haven't even want to be on the aisle with nobody else on it. Like, I've been wanting to be the only person on the aisle. So I'm on the cereal aisle. We have some Fruit Loops, but I'm trying to see if I should get Captain Crunch, but I don't want to be wasteful, so I think I'm gonna let Kason eat all of the Fruit Loops first. This is pretty much everything I got. So I got some Hawaiian rolls because tonight I'm going to make like this homemade Salisbury steak with homemade potatoes and maybe some broccoli. And then I got this vegetable oil. I normally like to get canola oil, but they didn't have any left. Got some double stuffed Oreos, some ice cream, and then Kason likes to have a cone every now and then. I got some cones. I got some spring mix salad. I got some drumsticks. I like the vanilla kind. Capri Suns, juices for Kason, some macaroni for a side one day for dinner. I got some cranberry juice, and I also got apple juice, oatmeal cream pies because Kason really loves those. We're not real big on snacks like I told you guys in my previous vlog, but he does like to have one every blue moon. So I got jalapenos for taco salad, Taco Tuesday. And then I got sweet relish to make some tuna. I got some Pop-Tarts for him, some more juice. I got some fish fry this time. I got some gravies. And I'm planning on making homemade gravy, but I'm going to use that just in case. I got some green beans, some cinnamon rolls, some coffee mates for my coffee. And I got some instant coffee. I am trying to get into coffee, you guys, because I really do like Dunkin' Donuts, so I'm trying to make it at home. Then I got some peanut butter crackers. I'm going to try these salty snacks. I got some potatoes, even though I do plan to make the potatoes homemade. I got some powdered sugar for some French toast, pot pies. I got some olive oil. I got some broccoli. I got some fish. I got some beef and some chicken. Let me know if y'all know about that Pick 5. What y'all know about that Pick 5? So I just got bacon, and I also got Kaneka sausage. If you are in the South, you know about the Pick 5 and you know about the Kaneka sausage. And then I just picked up a cast iron skillet because I didn't have one. I think I'm missing the bag because I also had some creamer. And then I got some Scooby snacks, some fruit roll-ups, grits. Kason loves pancakes, syrup, I got white rice because they didn't have any last time. We love hot fries around here. I got a bag of potatoes. I got some tortilla chips for tacos. And then I just got us some pizzas. And then I got some fruits and vegetables. I am missing the bag because I also, oh, you know what? It's right over here. So these are the other items that I got. I just got some cooking spray. I got some of the Buffalo Wild Wings sauce. I got some hazelnut for my coffee because I really like Dunkin' Donuts hazelnut flavor. I got strawberries, the tuna in water, sis, in water. And then I got some sour cream, and I got this big tub so that I can make the potatoes with. And then I got onion powder, grabbed some eggs, and some good old Canada Dry Ginger Ale. So you guys, I am in the car once again. I have to stop doing this because my nails look a hot mess. But I'm about to do my nails as soon as I get back home because I tried to do the whole let your nails breathe thing, and it's just not working out for you, girl. So I'm gonna do my nails once I get back home. But look who's with me. Casey, say hey. Are you smiling? Is that a smile? So I just picked him up from my dad's house, and we're getting ready to go back home because I was in the midst of cooking dinner. And I am gonna go ahead and cook dinner for my mom and stepdad like I was saying or whatever. We're gonna try, sis. We're gonna see how this goes. And I'm making everything like homemade, so we really about to see what this is gonna be like. But yeah, I had to go into another Walmart to return the cast iron skillet that I got from the first Walmart because it was cracked. So I got one by the brand called Lodge, and it was like $10 more, sis. So I'm like, this better be good. But they had some really good reviews, so I'm like, whatever. So I'll show you guys which one I got once we get to the house. But yeah, that's just pretty much what's going on. Oh, I had to tell y'all this too. Like, it really sucks sometimes. Like, especially when I'm looking a hot mess and I'm not up for it. Like, let me know if you're single and you deal with this. But I literally get hit on at least 3 times a day. At least 3 times a day. And it gets crazy. Like, really crazy. And y'all, sometimes it gets to the point where I'm like, okay, you're making me a little bit uncomfortable. And of course, it's always by older guys. Y'all, I'm finna put some weave up in my hair. I'm finna get some inches, sis, because every time I'm running errands, like, and I believe people do that because they think I'm a lot older than what I am. I'm only 25. And I just turned 25. So I'm like, look, chill. Like, you probably could be my dad, sir. You know. So sometimes that's a bit, it can be weird for me. You know, I think the short hair is what's doing it. And believe it or not, like, I get hit on mostly when I don't have any makeup on, when I'm natural. I don't even have on eyebrows, and I haven't even been doing eyebrows or anything, besides me filming videos. But y'all, like, and I hate that because I'm like, if you see me like this, baby, when I get all glammed up, you ain't gonna know what to do, my ninja. You ain't gonna know what to do. So, I don't know, like, you know, it's a good thing because that means that they like you or interested in you because of what they see naturally versus all made up, like younger guys. Y'all, it's crazy out here dating. It's just, it's, I don't know. If you single and you dating, like, comment below. Like, we're gonna have to do a video. We're gonna have to talk about this, sis, because woo, it's crazy out here. So this is the brand cast iron skillet that I decided to get, and this one is a 12-inch. And then I just turned back on my potatoes because I am going to make homemade mashed potatoes. So I'm letting that heat back up so they can cook a little bit more. And then I'm getting ready to season my ground beef. It's never too early, sis. You guys, this is the final look of the food. We about to eat, honey, so it looks good. I'm super excited. We're gonna see. What's up, you guys? So I'm not gonna show my face on camera because sis has to do her hair, and y'all ain't about to see me slipping. You ain't about to catch sis slipping, period. So as you guys can see, I'm getting ready to cook some shrimp. I'm actually getting ready to fry it for me and Kason. So I was actually shocked when I took this shrimp out the bag because it was already peeled, it was already deveined, and it was already something else. So I forgot what that something else was, but I really appreciate that I didn't have to peel it and all of that shenanigans and devein it. So I went ahead and seasoned the shrimp, and I just seasoned it with some of this Red Lobster signature seafood seasoning, a little bit of garlic powder. I'm gonna sprinkle some crushed red pepper on there, maybe, I don't know, because I don't want it to be too hot for Kason, but he actually likes hot food. So, and then I'm gonna use some Lowry seasonings. Ooh, y'all see my nails, sis? I did my nails the other day, y'all. I could not take it, and I actually went short this time. I just did it the way I normally do. I did them a nude color, and I just cut them short. And sis also did her toes too. So yeah, that's what my dogs are looking like. My feet look so red. But anyways, I'm getting ready to actually put the fries in the air fryer. This is my first time using an air fryer in general and using this one. My sister actually gifted this to me, and it's pretty cool because it has like exactly how long to put everything on. So I'm not too pressed about that. So that's a good thing. I think it's working. So at first I was like, sis, hold up. I thought it was on, but it wasn't on. I was like, let me, wait a minute, maybe it's not on. Let me get my instructions, sis, because I will be looking crazy in a hot minute. So I think it says press the power button, set to the default cooking temperature. So I think I need to put it to 400 and then press the power button a second time. Okay, press the power button a second time. We'll start the cooking process. Press the power button during the cooking process. We'll turn off the unit. The blue fan icon will continue to spin for 20 seconds. Okay, so I'm guessing it's on. Not really sure. I had to get the instructions because I was a little confused because it was starting then it was stopping. Y'all, I don't know nothing about no air fryer, sis. While I'm cooking, I have Kason in here working on his laptop. I think he's doing letters and alphabets right now. He was doing rhyming words, I think, yesterday. Say what's up.
What's up, fam?
Turn around and finish working on your work, okay?
Are you ready to do the handshake?
What hand? I don't remember it. You gotta teach me the handshake again.
Okay. Okay, put your hand up here.
Okay. They're not gonna be able to see me though, cause Mama got on her bonnet. Okay.
Boom, boom, hey.
Boom, boom, hey. We gotta do it on camera when both of us are facing the camera. Maybe we can do it tomorrow, okay? Show me how you gotta walk. So y'all, Kason said he gotta, Alexa, pause. He's saying he gotta walk like that because he just fell. He told me he broke his butt. So you guys, this is what the shrimp is looking like. It's looking real good, sis. So I'm just gonna flip it over because I don't want to overcook it. You know, we want to have it good and cooked, but we don't want to overdo it, sis. So I'm just flipping them over. I didn't put much grease in here because I feel like when you put too much grease, sometimes they really shrink up. So after I flip them this time, I'm actually just gonna go ahead and take them out. They're looking really yummy. This is what the food is looking like, and I just fixed me a salad and I got a ginger ale. Y'all, I'm about to grub. Now that I'm all wind down, I am just here reading my daily devotional as well as the Bible scripture that goes along with it. This one was really good, you guys. I'm only gonna share just a little. Kason is actually with my mom, you guys. Like, she took him and he's spending the night with her. So today is 118th day out of 365 days of this year. So I love the beginning of this. God doesn't want anything from you because everything you have is already his. Be grateful. He is before all things, and in him all things hold together. This is amazing. Like, the entire reading is amazing, you guys, and I really needed this. It was just about you know, being constantly reminded and reminding yourself that everything that you have and everything that's going on in your life is happening because of God. It's not just happening just because. It's not happening just because that's things that are gonna happen or things that are going on with the world and the universe. Everything that's happening in your life in any aspect is because of God. So this was a really, really good devotion. So I'm just letting my bath water run and I'm getting ready to call it a night.